10:40, July the 12th, Friday, at one of my apiaries. Not a lot going on. None of the bees are really even up yet. Got a few bits and bobs to do. I've got to I need to move a swarm into a full hive that was here a couple of weeks ago, and a bit of checking. I took supers last week, so I don't think I'll be needing to do too much to the bees this week. So this is the swarm. It was on this box a couple of weeks ago. I'm going to move it into this hive, give it a check, and see what's going on. Underneath the perspex top cover. Interesting to see how they're doing. Probably don't need to go in a full hive yet, but I'm going to do it anyway. They're on 1, 2, 3, 4 frame. So I'm going to move this box off, put it to one side. Let's put it here on an angle. Put this guy in. So I will try and find the queen. Right. Okay. I'll try not to use any smoke and see what their temperament's like. Got no glasses on, so it'll be fun. Can only see honey on this. I'll put them in. Eggs, larvae and brood. So I wanted to move them out because there's too much space in this box, and they will make extra comb pollen in that. Can't. Yep, so lots of eggs, larvae and brood, which is good. Building up some stores. Can't see a queen on this frame. To put her in, or them in. Okay. More eggs, larvae and brood. Some stores. Knock that off. Some eggs on here. Some stores. Am I going to see a queen? There's a queen. Dark queen. Cool. Okay, I'll put it back in. Another frame, good frame of honey there. I might give him another frame of brood if there's some very full hives out there. For now, I'll just put the lid on. Give them that little bit of honey, squash that in there, and they're good to go. I might put, like I say, frames brood in. Take this, okay. Okay, let's see what's happened to this. Starting to draw out a new foundation, which I gave them last week. It's been a bad week, so I doubt they've done much. This I think I'm going to take. Some of it's still got brood in. No eggs, so the queen's not up here. Okay, I'm not going to take that quite yet. Give me a smoke. Okay, heavy. Give him the smoke. Just a bit of stores on there. Brood. Overcast, so they're not very happy today. Lots of drone brood. No eggs. Okay, I've got eggs in here. Lots of eggs. Little charged cells. Right, I've got capped cells here. Got a capped queen cell. So whilst I've got equipment here, I will take the queen if I can find her. Even brought some grafted cells, so I'm going to knock down these little ones. Then I might knock down this capped one at the end, and then put in my own queen cell. See if I can find the queen. Okay, yeah, I can see a queen. Little tiny queen. She's going in here. So I'm going to put her in this box. Put that cell back in here. Okay, so they should make their own queen with that cell. Put the lid on, shut them up for now. Take them back to my home apiary. Now mark this as split. July the 12th, split, capped cell. Eggs, larvae, brood plus cells. Not up in the undrawn out super. Tight working here, they're a bit too close together. Pull it out slowly, just don't roll the queen, she's there. Drains play cup. Okay, I've got brood. Bruise this slightly. Oh, totally capped cell there. Can knock that down, don't want it. Virgin queen almost emerging out of here. You can see that. Oh, she's in there. Right, she's in there. I'll keep her since she's hatched. Keep her for a bit. I cannot see a queen. So if I can't actually see a queen or any eggs now, I'm going to put that virgin queen back in. Okay, so I don't see any eggs. See any other virgins? No queens. Nothing. Right, it's got some weight on it. Getting busy moving all this up whilst they've got nothing else to do. I will just allow her to go back in. She's a bit silly. There she goes. There we go, in she's gone. Give these an excluder and give them 2 wet supers. Okay, so that was July the 12th, virgin queen.